Dear students, today I am going to recite this poem and I shall explain stanza wise. Where do all the teachers go? For a little child, a teacher is special. It is difficult for a small child to think of his or her teacher as an ordinary person. Where do all the teachers go when it is 4 o'clock? Do they live in houses and do they wash their socks? Here the child wonders and questions where all the teachers go after the school hours. When it is 4 o'clock, he wants to know if, like any other ordinary being, they also live in houses and wash their socks. Means, do they also do all the routine work like other people? Do they wear pajamas and do they watch TV and do they pick their noses the same as you and me? The child wants to know if teacher also wear clothes like pajamas and watch TV like them. Do they also clean their noses the way other people do and waste their time? In third stanza, do they live with other people? Have they mums and dads? And were they ever children? And were they ever bad? Through this third stanza, the child further wonders by asking if they are also surrounded by people, if they also have parents and children like us to live with. Did they commit any mistakes or did anything wrong when they were children? Did they ever never spell right? Did they ever make mistakes? Were they punished in the corner if they pinched the chocolate flakes? Now he wants to know if they also made mistakes or were ever punished for stealing chocolates or doing any silly or naughty things. Were they punished? He wants to know. The child wants to know. Did they ever lose their hymn books? Did they ever leave their greens? Did they scribble on the desktops? Did they wear dirty jeans? Here, the tender mind, the mind of child is also troubled to know if their teacher also ever lost their religious books and said no to green vegetables. They did not want to eat green vegetables. Did they also waste time by scribbling on tables and wear torn and old jeans? I shall follow one back home today. I shall find out what they do. Then I shall put it in a poem and that they can read to you. To overcome his curiosity, the child decides to follow or spy his teacher on his way home after school. Once he is clear about everything, he would also like to compose or write a poem about it and thinks that the teacher would read that poem to his students. So this is a very beautiful poem and the child wants to know about the teachers daily routine, what do they do, or what do they not do. So this is a question is arised in the mind of child who goes